Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials: a 5G phone, an active Globe SIM, and the Globe One app. Once done, open Globe One and sign in with your number. Make sure your wallet has funds or a linked card. Tap Buy Load, then choose the dedicated 5G load option. This is the only purchase path that guarantees 5G-specific credit. Confirm amount and approve payment with your MPIN or biometric. Once approved, the system processes the 5G load immediately and sends a confirmation SMS. After you select the 5G load bundle, review inclusions and price, then proceed to confirm payment. Use your MPIN or the biometric prompt when required. Once payment is accepted, Globe's backend allocates the 5G credit to your number. Make sure you stay on a stable network while it completes. Interrupted payments can delay activation. If you receive the SMS, check your remaining balance in Globe One and notice the 5G tag on the credit entry to verify it applied correctly. To finish, confirm the 5G load shows in Globe One and that your phone indicates 5G service. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, set network preference to 5G only or 5G/4G, then restart the device. This often forces the profile to update. If the load applied but you still lack 5G, keep the confirmation SMS and contact Globe support for provisioning help. One key troubleshooting tip: reinsert the SIM if network settings don't refresh. This resolves provisioning hangups most times.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.